Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2007 Mazda MX5, stock number 6490. This ran from the 10th 2005 to the 7th 2015. It has an LF2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the LF2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.